Hello everyone, this is Satya Prakash. Welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I'll tell about my some contribution towards the tech community, that in which community I have written some technical articles on .NET, Angular and other technologies as well, and also I have some contribution towards the other some YouTube and for other technical community sites and some forum sites. And also I have whatever awards I have achieved from that technical communities as a member of honor, or I have also received some appreciations and awards from that technical community sites. So guys, in this video I will tell you about what is tech community and a list of my contribution towards the tech community and list of awards I have achieved. So what is tech community? Tech community is where the developer around the world will some do some contribute of their skill or whatever the technical knowledges they have achieved. So that the tech community you are find out in your in internet, that you can find out. There is the one example is C# corner and Stack Overflow, GitHub, etc. So these are the tech communities based in India as well as in the world as well. So I'll tell you guys that is what are the tech community sites and whatever my list of contribution on the tech community sites. So here you can see this is the my YouTube channel, right? Wherever my videos and playlist you can find out in here, right? The playlist and also my videos. Here you'll get all my videos related to the technical skills and knowledges. So guys, and second is the C# corner. You can get this URL. Okay, this is my C# corner profile. So here I will contribute some articles, blogs, forums. Okay, also I have achieved some awards from these sites as well. And third one is .NET Tricks. So in .NET Tricks also, under article section I have written down some articles. Okay, and also I have some ebooks. If you just click on the ebooks, also you can get some ebooks whatever I have written, the ebooks related to .NET Core and Bootstraps. Also you just right click on this ebooks and you can get some offer on this ebooks. So it will be updated one, so you just get my ebooks as well, and whatever the content for .NET Core ebook. And for Bootstrap, this is the ebook, and you can find out the price. So after there is some offer is going on. Okay, so go and purchase these books. It will be helpful for your knowledge and your career. Third one is Quora. So in Quora you get my profile, this one. Okay, and there I have created one based on my YouTube channel. So I have created one Quora group here. Okay, whatever my contribution I am doing, I just posting in the Quora part. Okay, so this is the Quora, and this is GitHub. So in this GitHub, whatever my code related repository, I'm going to contribute here, upload here, and people are going to fork, and they're also post the comments. Okay, and the repository section will get some projects, real-time projects. Okay, whatever I'm doing videos on for my YouTube channel. And this one is DZone. Okay, so I am a DZone MVP, most valuable blogger. Okay, so you can get this in my MVP mark here, right? And here I'm getting some articles, so we'll get these articles as well in DZone URL. Okay, and here guys, I have created one YouTube Facebook group, Learn Code Easy. So here whatever my contribution towards the YouTube channel and other communities, I just posting here. You just go here and go to this group and copy this URL, log in your Facebook and join this group. You'll get the updated notifications or any updated post and posting, you'll get it from my group as well. And guys, this one is for India Tech IT, so that is India IT job interview alert. So this is my group I have created in Facebook. So you just go there and get here the whatever your job related interview questions and some related posting related to the technical things you'll get from these sites as well. And also there is many members posting their opinions on the job sites. And guys, this one is Microsoft site. Okay, so on Microsoft site also there is I'll tell you one more thing. So here also I have some contribution here, right, in the Microsoft site. So you'll also get my profile here. And guys, this is my Twitter. So just go here and follow my Twitter profile, so that whatever I'm going to post any related to my contribution, any achievements or some entertainment related stuffs, so you just go there and read it and follow my profile. Okay, so guys, this is all about my list of my contributions. So whatever hours I have achieved, I'll tell you. So guys, here my photos I have posted, that is the achieved award from C# Corner and also from Dzone MVP, and this is my community contribution, whatever a trophy I have achieved. So these two photos I have posted here in my whatever you are seeing here, right? So yeah, that's all from my whatever hours I've achieved from my contribution towards the C# Corner, .NET Tricks, Dzone MVP and Microsoft TechNet sites. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.